Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's review slash tutorial is going to be on the Kat Von D 10th anniversary limited edition eyeshadow palette. Look how beautiful that is, her artwork. And look at these colors. And her highlighter right here, Metal Crush. Let me open that for you guys too. And the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. However, if you want to know how to achieve this beautiful look and my 2 cents on it, keep on watching. finished look. Okay, so you have 16 shades right here. You have mattes, which what I like about this palette is that the majority of the colors are matte. I love that. You have like two glitter colors. The two that I put in my inner eye. The only reason that I used the purple is simply because none of these shades, at least none of the dark shades, actually look good with my hair color. And that was the only reason why I used another color. Or else I would have stuck to the entire palette. But the colors in this palette are not only all beautiful, they all complement each other, but they are so pigmented. I mean, it's not just pigmented like when you do swatches. Look at that. It was just one swipe going down. Look at that so far. This one is like a duochrome. And then you have this purple one right here. And then you have this one. You're not gonna see this one too much because it like blends in into my skin more or less. I'm not gonna try that one because I wore that one, and this one as well. This is a dark brown. Look how dark it is. Look at that. Then I tried 1, 2. So then this one right here. I tried that one. Then you have this one, and they feel extremely soft. One more. Let me see. Do I have any? Let me see. Hold on. They are, even the matte ones, they don't feel chalky. Yeah. Oh my God, it's so soft. It is just so freaking soft. They sure are. I love, love, love this palette. I love the quality and also the whole color scheme. I love it. Love it. And let's not forget that huge ass mirror. A huge mirror. Oh my goodness. And $52. I want to say that it's rather pricey, but you know what? I mean, that's kind of like the norm. No, it's not. Not really. But hey, you're getting great quality, and it's going to take you a while to hit pan, even if you're using this every day. Do I recommend this, baby? I sure do. So go out there, run, and get a palette like this, because this is just a biggity bomb, guys. As far as lipstick shade goes, also I use the Jeffree Star Anna Nicole. That's what I have on today. Yeah, the only thing that I didn't really care for was the highlighter. That was it. I don't care for it at all. I mean, unless you don't mind having something a little subtle, and you have glitter. It's just glitter. It's just glitter. Yeah. Nothing to knock you out the box. But anywho, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial and recommendation. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And deuces, guys. Love you. Until next time. Ciao.